All right, now I'd like to show you how to call a web service. I have a number of VIs for you to look at. First one is called check internet access. Let's go ahead and run that. I'm running it on the Academic Rio target. It says that it can reach the internet and there is no error generated. Let's try the first web service call. Study this a little bit. The endpoint URL is ipinfo.io/JSON. The web page headers is displayed, as is the web page body. The web page body is a JSON string, and I've parsed that to pull out things like the IP address, the geolocation, the name of the host, and so on. Click this button to select a web server name, and that will be embedded into the endpoint URL. The web server IP address is looked up and then inserted right here. And looking at the returned body, we see that ipinfo.io evidently is located in Silicon Valley. Let me show you one more. This is the Google Maps API for geocoding. By default, I have the somewhat generic address, National Instruments, Austin, Texas, entered. Returns the latitude and longitude and the detailed address, and it tells you what sort of location we're looking at, evidently on the roof of the NI complex in Austin. You see that there's quite a bit of material in the returned body. You can also type in things like world monuments, for example, Eiffel Tower in Paris. Again, it gives us the latitude and longitude, tells us the detailed street address. And finally, I'd like to draw your attention to the endpoint URL. The query string is completed with the question mark, and then the Eiffel Tower Paris is entered with spaces replaced by pluses.